Why Harley-Davidson bikes are so popular. From the moment you lay your eyes on a Harley-Davidson, you're not just observing a motorcycle, you're witnessing a legend in motion. Harley-Davidson bikes are not just popular, but an icon, a lifestyle. But what is it that makes these steel horses so irresistible to millions around the globe? Is it their distinctive design, powerful performance, or rich history accompanying each model? Join us as we throttle through the journey of unraveling the mystique of Harley-Davidson's popularity. Stunning bikes. Let's just start with the obvious, the stunning bikes. These bikes aren't just two-wheelers, they're power-packed beasts with a side of charm. With the history stretching over 100 years, they've crafted bikes that growl like thunder and turn heads wherever they go. Now, let's talk models. There's the Heritage Softail Classic, all classic lines and timeless vibes. Then there's the Street Bob, stripped down and edgy. And don't forget the Road King, a king on the road with touring prowess. Each of these bikes is like a piece of art, a mix of tradition and a rebel spirit. But what really steals the show are the details. Shiny chrome, handcrafted fuel tanks, exhaust pipes that tell a story, and seats stitched with precision. It's all about craftsmanship. The bikes aren't just good looking, they have a bold stance thanks to robust engines and a muscular profile. It's the unmistakable Harley-Davidson style. And it's not just about appearances, these bikes have a heartbeat, the V-twin engines that make your heart race. The iconic rumble is like music for riders, giving them a Harley experience like no other. Riding these beauties isn't just a joy, it's a commitment to the open road in the spirit of freedom. That's why Harley-Davidson is a legend in the world of motorcycles, making history one stunning ride at a time. Parts. But let's take a peek under the hood of this legendary brand. Harley-Davidson isn't just about the whole bike, it's all about the nuts and bolts that make the magic happen. The Milwaukee 8 engine series and the iconic Batwing fairing are the puzzle pieces that complete the Harley puzzle. The company's legacy is intertwined with its parts, each playing a crucial role in delivering that unmistakable Harley experience. From the powerful engine that roars like a lion to the sleek Batwing fairing cutting through the wind, these components are the DNA of Harley-Davidson. But here's the cool part. Harley hasn't just stuck to its roots. It's evolved while keeping its commitment to top-notch parts intact. The chrome finishes that make heads turn, the exhaust systems that growl with attitude, each part is a labor of love, built to withstand the test of both time and the open road. Imagine this, a Harley owner holding a gleaming wrench, personalizing their bike with genuine parts. It's more than just maintenance, it's a way to showcase their individual style, adding a unique touch to make their ride truly their own. The satisfaction of owning a Harley goes beyond the initial purchase. It's about the continuous connection, adjustments, and enhancements that become integral to the rider's journey. And here's the twist. The demand for these original Harley-Davidson parts isn't just within the circle of owners. It's a big deal in the aftermarket scene too. The bike owners. And since we're already talking about the personal feeling of owning one of these, let's now look at the proud Harley owners, a league of individuals who don't just ride bikes, they embrace a lifestyle, wear pride like a badge, and become part of a legacy. Owning a Harley-Davidson is more than having a set of wheels, it's a statement of freedom and individuality. These owners aren't just riders, they're part of a tribe, a community that shares a common language. The rumble of a Harley engine. The distinctive silhouette of these bikes isn't just a design. The pride of being a Harley owner isn't confined to the garage. It spills onto the open road during hog rides, where the camaraderie is as powerful as the bikes themselves. At Harley-Davidson rallies, the collective roar of engines creates a symphony of passion, uniting riders from all walks of life. But it's not all about the noise and the shiny chrome. Proud owners invest heart and soul into their bikes, treating them not just as modes of transport, but as extensions of themselves. They tweak, customize, and maintain their rides with genuine Harley-Davidson parts, ensuring that each detail reflects the authenticity and quality that they cherish. If you ask them, their Harley is more than metal and rubber. It's an identity, a tangible expression of the untamed spirit of freedom and adventure that has defined Harley-Davidson for over a century. Branding. But it's not just the owners that make Harley popular, there's also the branding. Harley-Davidson has also deeply embedded brand loyalty within its culture. Across generations and geographical boundaries, the brand has successfully cultivated a fiercely devoted customer base. The name Harley-Davidson goes beyond representing high-quality motorcycles. It embodies a lifestyle, an attitude, and, for many, a fundamental part of their identity. Beyond just products, Harley-Davidson owners often express their connection with the brand as encompassing experiences, heritage, and a sense of belonging to the iconic Harley community. This loyalty is evident in their choice to exclusively use genuine Harley-Davidson parts for maintenance or customization, participate in brand-organized rallies, and proudly wear the Harley-Davidson logo on clothing and accessories. Harley-Davidson's constant delivery of products that resonate with customer aspirations, coupled with its dedication to fostering a vibrant and inclusive community, has established an enduring brand loyalty that few can match. The brand's committed following continues to uphold their legacy, celebrating the spirit of freedom and individualism that Harley-Davidson has represented for over a century. The American culture. But can we forget the American culture? You see, Harley-Davidson transcends its role as a motorcycle manufacturer. It stands as a lasting symbol of American culture, embodying freedom and individuality. The brand's origins can be traced back to Milwaukee, Wisconsin in 1903, and since then, it's etched a unique place in the pages of American cultural history. The motorcycles produced by Harley-Davidson have woven themselves into the fabric of Americana, featuring prominently in numerous films, music, and artworks. They often symbolize rebellion, freedom, and the unbridled spirit of the open road. The unmistakable roar of a Harley engine and its iconic silhouette are globally recognized. The brand's logo, characterized by the distinctive bar and shield, has evolved into a symbol of representing American strength and craftsmanship. Harley-Davidson's intentional cultivation of a tight-knit community of riders, proudly displaying their affiliation on clothing and accessories, further solidifies the brand's cultural significance. Similar to other iconic American brands like Coca-Cola or Levi's, Harley-Davidson surpasses mere product offerings. It encapsulates a lifestyle and ethos that is quintessentially American. Harley Owners Group. Now, these owners are not recognized randomly. They even have a group, a real community that's only for them. And let's be honest, when was the last time you heard of Yamaha Riding Group? No offense to our friends. This Harley Owners Group, affectionately known as HOG, stands as a vivid testament to the profound community spirit and brand loyalty synonymous with Harley-Davidson. Launched in 1983 by the company itself, this exclusive club serves as a global nexus, uniting Harley owners and solidifying their connection through a shared passion for these iconic motorcycles. HOG members frequently come together for rallies, charity events, and scenic rides, creating enduring memories and friendships that extend beyond the realm of the saddle. This collective sense of belonging and camaraderie is a clear reflection of Harley-Davidson's adept cultivation of a lively and devoted community. For many HOG, it's not merely a club, it's become a way of life, providing a platform to share experiences, passion, and unwavering devotion to the Harley-Davidson legacy. The dedication of HOG members is often evident in the pride that they take in the meticulous maintenance and personalized enhancements of their Harleys, using genuine Harley-Davidson parts. This commitment ensures their machines remain road-ready, embodying the authentic spirit of Harley-Davidson. Through the creation of such a dedicated community, Harley-Davidson has transcended the conventional buyer-seller's relationship, establishing an ecosystem of ardent enthusiasts. This community continues to carry forward the rich and storied legacy of the brand, underscoring Harley-Davidson's enduring impact on the motorcycle culture. Assets. And then there are the assets. Harley-Davidson's true assets surpass the tangible elements that form the foundation of their iconic motorcycles. While the company boasts manufacturing plants, cutting-edge machinery, technological advancements, retail spaces, and a widespread network of dealerships, its assets extend into intangible realms, carrying a significant value. The intellectual property owned by the brand, comprising patents, proprietary designs, and the instantly recognizable Harley-Davidson logo, stands as a vital asset. This intellectual foundation reinforces the brand's identity and uniqueness in the market. Equally essential is the brand equity Harley-Davidson has meticulously built over more than a century, rooted in distinctive product quality, unwavering customer loyalty, and a fervent community of riders. This equity serves as a cornerstone asset. The extensive supply chain network and strategic partnerships with parts suppliers, ensuring the consistent production of high-quality, genuine Harley-Davidson parts, also constitute key assets. Furthermore, the vast global community of Harley riders, often united through smart moves like the Harley Owners Group or HOG, adds to the brand's robust social capital. This network not only enhances the brand's reach, but also strengthens the emotional connection between Harley-Davidson and its customers. In fact, these assets, both tangible and intangible, form the bedrock of Harley-Davidson's enduring success and its iconic stature in the motorcycle industry. The amalgamation of cutting-edge technology, a strong intellectual foundation, unwavering brand loyalty, and a thriving community collectively contribute to the brand's resilience and continued prominence. Brand over time. But it's not just that. The long history of Harley-Davidson has also played a significant role in its success. Just like any thriving business, Harley-Davidson needed time to reach the pinnacle of the motorcycle industry. Remarkably, few motorcycle companies have been in continuous production for as long as Harley-Davidson. The extended duration of its existence has fostered strong customer loyalty. People tend to trust and rely on things that have stood the test of time. Harley-Davidson's longevity contributes to its popularity, creating a sense of trust and assurance among its customers. This enduring presence has allowed the brand to establish and strengthen its fan clubs over the years. As a result, the Harley-Davidson motorcycle crowd is notably vast in motorcycle gatherings. The brand's longevity has woven itself into the fabric of the motorcycle scene, creating an inviting community that attracts newcomers. The positive feedback loop is evident. The more people see the enduring presence of Harley-Davidson, the more they're drawn to join the community. The Outlaw Feeling. Now, when you buy a Harley, it doesn't just come as a bike. Harley-Davidson has tapped into a unique aspect of American culture, the feeling of the outlaw. Throughout history, the United States has embraced a certain rebellious spirit rooted in its founding by those who defied a tyrannical government across the ocean. From the likes of legendary outlaws such as John Dillinger and Billy the Kid, to the era of modern cowboys embodied by motorcycle clubs since the mid-1960s, the myth of the outlaw has been deeply ingrained in American society. These figures, with their dubious moral character, have strangely garnered admiration. Harley-Davidson, with its logo and brand, seamlessly intertwines with the outlaw persona. The motorcycle brand has strategically positioned itself as a choice of the outlaws, feeding into the romanticized image of those who are free to roam the open plains, unburdened by conventional social morals. This connection with the outlaw mythology has proven effective, especially among motorcycle riders. Harley-Davidson, with its brand, not only offers a mode of transportation, but also provides an avenue for riders to embody the spirit of the outlaw, adding an extra layer of appeal to the overall riding experience. What's so interesting about Harley-Davidson bikes that would make you take one home? Share your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more content. See you next time.